In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Shift Tab overlay on Steam. If you've ever hit Shift plus Tab in the middle of a game and had the Steam overlay pop up, you know it can be handy, but it can also get in the way. Maybe you're troubleshooting a crash, trying to shave off a few FPS, or you simply don't use the in-game browser, chat, or screenshot tools. Turning the overlay off is quick, and you can turn it back on anytime. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and make sure you're logged in. You'll want to do this from the desktop app, not the website. Once Steam is open, look to the very top left corner of the window. Click the Steam menu, then choose Settings from the drop-down. This is where all your core preferences live, including in-game behavior. When the Settings window opens, find the In-Game tab in the sidebar on the left. This section controls everything related to what Steam does while a game is running. You'll see options for things like the FPS counter and screenshots, but the key one here is the toggle labeled Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. To disable the overlay, simply uncheck that box. This tells Steam not to launch its overlay when a game is active. It's worth noting that this change turns off the overlay for all games on your account, not just one, which is perfect if you want a universal setting. The trade-off is that features tied to the overlay like Shift plus Tab access to friends, web links, certain invite prompts, and the built-in browser won't be available while you play. If you rely on those features, keep that in mind. After unchecking the box, click OK at the bottom to save your changes. That's the confirmation Steam needs to apply the setting. From this point on, pressing Shift plus Tab during a game will no longer trigger the overlay. If you ever want it back, you can return to the same in-game settings and re-enable the option just as easily. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled the Shift plus Tab overlay on Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.